Welcome back to Tech Vibe. If you are holding out for the next generation Apple TV 4K, you need to hear this, because Apple has a massive problem on its hands. The physical hardware is completely finished, sitting in secure supply chain warehouses right now, yet you cannot buy it. The reason for this delay isn't a hardware shortage or a manufacturing defect. It is Siri. Top-tier industry insiders and supply chain leaks confirm that Apple is actively holding back its most powerful entertainment box in history until its next generation, AI-driven Siri software is completely baked into the system. The current Apple TV 4K is an incredible streaming device, but it runs on the aging A15 Bionic chip, which simply lacks the specialized neural processing architecture required to handle local, on-device Apple Intelligence workloads. Apple refuses to launch a premium living room hub that feels outdated the moment you plug it into your home theater setup. Because of this software bottleneck, the release window has shifted significantly. While early speculation pointed to a mid-year reveal, top industry analysts targeting the United States and European markets now point to a coordinated launch alongside the new premium flagship phone lineup and tvOS updates. This means the highly anticipated streaming box will likely hit premium markets in the final quarter of the year, transforming your living room setup just in time for the holiday season. The absolute refusal to rush this device highlights how critical the living room has become to Apple's long-term ecosystem retention strategy. They are playing a multi-decade game, intending to anchor every single smart speaker, tablet, and wearable around this singular home entertainment core. When the new Apple TV 4K finally lands, the biggest shift won't be on the outside, but deep within its silicon architecture. Apple is completely abandoning the standard mobile chips of the past to introduce a massive performance leap. The baseline configuration will feature at least the 3-nanometer A17 Pro chip, though high-end supply chain tracking suggests Apple might even drop in an A18 or A19 variant to maximize the device's lifecycle over the next 5 years. To fully accommodate heavy artificial intelligence processing and complex multitasking, Apple is doubling the system memory from 4 GB to a massive 8 GB of random access memory. This is a critical threshold. Without 8 GB of memory, a device cannot process advanced large language models locally. This silicon upgrade alters the core identity of the Apple TV. It ceases to be just a regular streaming puck and evolves into a genuine microconsole. The A17 Pro architecture brings hardware-accelerated ray tracing to the big screen for the first time, allowing the streaming box to render realistic lighting, complex shadows, and true-to-life reflections in real time. Popular, high-fidelity console games that previously required a dedicated gaming rig or a pricey console will now run natively on your Apple TV, completely shifting how premium consumers view casual living room entertainment. Beyond raw computational power, the upcoming Apple TV 4K is receiving a massive overhaul in wireless connectivity to meet the demands of modern home networks. The device will debut Apple's custom-designed N1 networking chip, unlocking access to the highly coveted 6 GHz wireless band. While final certification is still pending between advanced Wi-Fi 6E and the newest Wi-Fi 7 standard, the real-world impact for the end user remains spectacular. Operating on the 6 GHz spectrum means your Apple TV will bypass the crowded, congested wireless channels used by every standard smartphone, laptop, and smart appliance in your neighborhood. For premium viewers who stream massive, uncompressed 40K Blu-ray rips via local media servers or demand flawless, buffer-free playback on high bitrate streaming platforms, this upgrade eliminates network jitter entirely. Furthermore, the device is stepping up to modern Bluetooth standards, significantly reducing audio latency when you pair multiple sets of wireless headphones for late-night viewing sessions. It also retains its critical role as a dominant smart home hub, utilizing integrated Thread and Matter protocols to act as the primary command center for your entire connected household, routing commands to smart lights, security locks, and cameras instantly and securely without relying on external cloud servers. The physical design of the unit is where Apple is choosing continuity over radical change, though with a premium twist. The footprint will remain the iconic, minimalistic black square puck that blends seamlessly into high-end media consoles and premium home theater racks. Because the new 3-nanometer processors are incredibly energy efficient, Apple can maintain a completely fanless thermal design, ensuring the device runs dead silent even during intense gaming sessions or heavy AI processing. However, minor material updates are expected. Internal design sheets suggest a shift toward more sustainable, premium structural elements, replacing internal plastic brackets with recycled aluminum components to align with modern environmental standards. On the back, you will find the standard array of a power input and a high-bandwidth HDMI 2.1 port. Apple is expected to maintain its dual-model retail strategy to cater to different segments of the premium market. The base tier will offer 64 GB of storage with Wi-Fi only connectivity, while the flagship configuration will double the storage capacity to 128 GB and include a dedicated gigabit Ethernet port for purists who demand a hardwired network connection for flawless data delivery. Every piece of evidence points to the fact that Apple is building a unified living room ecosystem where the Apple TV 4K acts as the central brain. The primary hold-up, the next-generation Siri, will allow the device to understand deep contextual commands, manage multi-user smart home requests without confusion, and offer hyper-personalized content recommendations based on natural conversations rather than static search algorithms. This localized AI processing ensures that your personal viewing preferences and home data remain entirely private, a massive selling point for modern privacy-conscious households. The current retail pricing sits at a highly competitive entry point for the premium streaming market, and insiders expect Apple to hold this line steady, ensuring maximum adoption among users looking to upgrade their home theater infrastructure. If you are currently using an older streaming box or a sluggish built-in smart TV interface, the upcoming generation represents the most justifiable upgrade cycle in nearly half a decade. It bridges the gap between traditional media consumption, next-generation spatial audio processing, high-end gaming, and smart home automation. The hardware is locked, the manufacturing pipelines are verified, and as soon as the final software optimization pass is complete, this powerhouse will completely reset the standard for premium home entertainment. Make sure to subscribe to Tech Vibe for more deep dives into the latest hardware leaks. Drop a comment with your thoughts on Apple's AI delay, and we will see you in the next one.